हेलो दोस्तों, नीट साइंस कॉलेज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है। और हमारे चैनल की कोशिश यही रहेगी कि हमारे वीडियो सभी रेफर करने वाले सभी सब्सक्राइबर का स्कोर आउट ऑफ आए। तो चलिए आज हम इसी शानदार सेशन को चालू कर देते हैं, जिसका नाम है स्कोप ऑफ फिजिक्स। सीबीएसई फर्स्ट लेसन फिजिकल वर्ल्ड का तीसरा वीडियो, जिसका नाम है स्कोप ऑफ फिजिक्स। तो इसमें हम देखने वाले हैं स्कोप ऑफ फिजिक्स। Okay, so before that, tell me about the scope of physics. What do you mean by the scope of the physics? Scope is nothing but the range. Now what is our scope? Our scope is this much. We can't see the area which is just behind us. Okay, so our scope is only the front side. So what is the scope of physics? Scope of physics is too much vast. Why? Because we know that from elementary particle to the whole galaxy, you know that galaxy is there, and in galaxy there are too many stars. Okay, and too many planets are there, and too many galaxies are there. So these are the heavenly bodies. So it's where is from so it from where is from just size this elementary particle which we can't see our naked eyes. And this is what it varies from elementary particle to the whole galaxy. So that is galaxy contains all the planets, heavenly bodies, stars, biggest one. And here physics here is what physics is trying. So here physics is trying to understanding the universe, hence all the natural phenomena. And also it attempt to find the elementary particle which makes up some matter, जो किसी matter से बना हुआ है, और the forces that guides it, the forces which guides it, that atoms, molecule, okay, or whatever nuclear, that is all the things which, and also the all the forms of energy related to it. So physics are getting tries to find this. Means physics is varies from smaller to smaller to biggest, okay, the things, the matters. And here we'll find them. Okay, so here is what the physics is varies from. Here we can see, but in physics we can see that there are different in physics there are different quantities are there. And quantities, for example, I can take fundamental quantities, that is length, mass, time. You know that the length has a unit meter, SI unit, and mass has a SI unit as a kg, and time as a second. So let us see the length. We know that the different quantities have, if quantities are different, then they must have different range. Okay, they must have different range. So here we will see, first of all, length. So if there is a length is there, then what is its magnitude range क्या होगा इसका? So इसका range magnitude range होगा जैसे किस मीटर से लेकर किस मीटर तक. जैसे कि हम देखेंगे 10 पावर, that is 10 पावर माइनस 14 टू लेकर 10 पावर माइनस 14 मीटर तक लेंथ की रेंज होगी. अगर हम देखेंगे टाइम का, so time is also has some range, that is magnitude range. Its magnitude range is what? Its magnitude range is nothing but the things varies from this smallest time, that is 10 power minus 20 से लेकर 20 सेकंड से लेकर to 10 power that is 30 second, 10 power that is sorry 18 second. Okay, and after this time we can see the third, that is mass. Everyone knows that mass of electron to mass of that stars, so that is 10 power minus 30 kg to that is 10 power 55 kg. So this is what, this thing we can see, this we can't see. So here जो देखा जा सकता है, जो देखा नहीं भी जा सकता है, सो वहां से लेकर यहाँ तक ये सभी स्कोप है फिजिक्स का. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस स्कोप we classified, और we have 3 डोमेन्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. हम उसके हम 3 टाइप से बोल सकते हैं, और 3 डोमेन्स है, और डोमेन्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. सो दैट इज व्हाट, जो थर्ड है वो जस्ट रिसेंटली आया है. दैट इज फर्स्ट टू इज व्हाट, मैक्रोस्कोपिक एंड that is mesoscopic. So these are the 3 domains of interest of, that is domains of interest. So that is 3 domains of scope of physics. On the basis of scope of physics, that is that 3 ones are, that is macroscopic, after that there is a microscopic, and third one, which is the latest one, that is mesoscopic. Okay, so mesoscopic is nothing but in between these two. in between these two. This comes in between these two. Okay, this comes in between macroscopic and microscopic. Now see that macro means what? The huge. Okay, and macro means what? Very small, which can't be seen by our eyes. So this keep in mind. This is the difference between ma. Ma means what? बहुत बड़ा. mi means what? Micro. Micro means 10⁻⁶ होता है. So it is what? 1/10. एक का 10⁻⁶ part. So that is what? Very very small. The obviously you can define like the on the basis of we see it naked eyes or not. अभी naked eyes को किसे देख सकते हैं? We can see this naked eyes. We can see this easily with the naked eyes. This is nothing but the macroscopic domain is nothing but macroscopic domain is nothing but the length scale which we can length scale of object or process of which we can see with our naked eyes. So it is nothing but the which we can see naked eyes. So जिसे हम हमारे open eyes से देख सकते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? That is macroscopic domain. So in some physics comes in this also, and some physics comes in microscopic is also. So where we can't see by naked eyes, जहाँ पे हम हमारे naked eyes से देख नहीं सकते हैं, we can't see them our naked eyes, and is what? And देख नहीं सकते तो फिर किससे तो भी देखते होंगे ना. So that instruments, that is we need to see them through our naked eyes. So we need some lens or some microscope. ओके कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स का हमें हेल्प लेना पड़ता है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ वी कैन सी इट वी नीड लेंस और माइक्रोस्कोप टू सी इट. ओके उसे देखने के लिए हमें इसकी जरूरत पड़ती है. तो लेट अस सी टुडे हम देखेंगे या आज हम देखेंगे कि मैक्रोस्कोपिक डोमेन क्या होता है. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मैक्रोस्कोपिक डोमेन्स? सो व्हाट इट कंटेन्स? मैक्रोस्कोपिक मीन्स व्हाट? सो इट इज टू मच लार्ज मीन्स हैविंग वेरियस साइज एंड वी कैन सी इट वेरी इजीली विद और नेकेड आइज. हम उसे हम हमारे ओपन आइज से देख सकते हैं. जैसे कि हमारे इर्द गिर्द दिखते हैं जितने भी थिंग्स, तो उसे भी हमने जितने भी फिनोमिनाज हैं हमारे उस फिनोमिना को भी हमने 3 टाइप्स में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. जैसे कि यहाँ पे 3 टाइप्स कैसे है? जैसे कि इट इंक्लूड्स ऑल द फिनोमिनन इट इंक्लूड्स दैट फिनोमिनन गेट divided into 3 types. That is some phenomenon which will be at laboratory level. So laboratory level, and after that there is a terrestrial level which is on the earth. Okay, terrestrial level, and after that there is a last one, that is astronomical level. Astronomy means just out of earth, that is space. Astronomical level, so it is very very large. So जैसे जैसे laboratory से astronomical आते हो तो उसकी साइज बहुत बहुत बढ़ती जाती है. So these are the 3 just phenomenon, whatever the phenomenon present on this earth. So out of that the phenomenon which comes under this macroscopic, तो उसमें भी 3 level है. So that is laboratory, terrestrial and astronomical. So in this microscopic there are also 3 types. That is atomic, molecular and nuclear. Atomic, molecular and nuclear. So all this will comes in this. Okay, that is nuclear phenomenon. All the nuclear phenomena, molecular level or atomic level which we can't see, which is very very small, micro level. So that all comes in this microscopic domain. Microscopic domain में mesoscopic, its range is what? इसकी साइज रेंज क्या होगी? इसकी साइज रेंज होगी just 10 to hundreds of that atoms, 10 to or hundreds of that atoms of times of atoms. किसी एक एटम्स का जब 100 टाइम्स करोगे तो वो उसके बराबर आता है. तो मेसोस्कोपिक इज जस्ट लेटेस्ट रिसर्च. So recently they have added this 3rd type. So this is first we will see the macroscopic. अभी तो हम macroscopic देखेंगे, बाद में हम देखने वाले हैं. After that we will see this microscopic in next video. Okay, so macroscopic is what? In macroscopic domain we know that here it comes क्लासिकल फिजिक्स. यहाँ पे जो हम कंसिडर करते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्लासिकल फिजिक्स, ये जो है आपका फिजिक्स आपने सुना होगा. क्लासिकल फिजिक्स कम्स अंडर दिस डोमेन. इस डोमेन के अंदर क्लासिकल फिजिक्स आता है. मीन्स द क्लासिकल फिजिक्स विच इज डील्स विद द दैट इज डायरेक्टली डील्स विद द interrelation between that is force and its content. Force and its content means what? By what it made up of, by what matter, by what it is made up of. जो मैटर है किससे बना हुआ है, सो वो और उस पर फोर्स कौन सा है. सो इन दोनों के ऊपर डिपेंड होने वाला जो भी क्लासिकल फिजिक्स यहाँ पे दिया है, सो दैट इज व्हाट क्लासिकल फिजिक्स, एंड दिस क्लासिकल फिजिक्स is also again subdivided into some branches, and that is mechanics. First is mechanics. We will first see about the mechanics is what everyone knows that it is introduced by which scientist, famous scientist, that is Isaac Newton. Dr. Isaac Newton, that is Isaac Newton, everyone knows very well. Okay, so as because of Isaac Newton has introduced this, so that's why we call it as also Newtonian mechanics, and hence we use the Newton's laws of motion. Newton's के जो भी laws of motion है, so we all using that one. If that body is moving in a motion or accelerated motion or non-accelerated motion, and also we are using its equations also, the famous equations, Newton first, third, and फर्स्ट लॉ, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, सेकंड इक्वेशन एंड थर्ड इक्वेशंस आर आल्सो देयर, जहाँ पे न्यूटन्स की बहुत सारी इक्वेशंस भी है। और जब कोई चीज़, कोई मैटर जब मोशन में जाती है, उसके ऊपर कुछ फोर्स गिरता है, तो उस समय हम न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशंस, कोई चीज़ ऊपर से नीचे गिरती है, ग्रेविटी उसे अट्रैक्ट करती है, तो तभी भी हम न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशंस यूज कर सकते हैं। सो हेंस वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ न्यूटोनियन मैकेनिक्स। सो हियर कम्स द मोशन ऑफ द बॉडी और इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट्स, all the things that comes here in this mechanics में क्या क्या आ सकता है, that is deformed bodies means bodies which can change their shapes after applying a force। किसी बॉडी के ऊपर जब फोर्स अप्लाई करते हो तो वो उसकी साइज, शेप चेंज कर देता है, दैट इज डिफॉर्म बॉडीज। वी कैन सी दैट कोई कोई बॉडीज ऐसी भी है जो फोर्स देने के बाद भी खुद का शेप नहीं बदलती, उसे रिजिड बॉडीज कहा जाता है। सो रिजिड बॉडीज also participate in this, also comes in this mechanics। Okay, and after that many things were in this mechanics. We can say that that is different mechanics is nothing but the rolling of the tire, frictions with the ground, all the things will comes over this, and that bending of the rod, and then there is a equilibrium due to load। Okay, that maintenance जो भी हो, बेंडिंग ऑफ द रॉड का बेंडिंग होना और मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया, ऑल द थिंग्स दैट वी विल सी इन द मैकेनिक्स। ओके, so after that there is another branch, that is what after mechanics there is a that is thermodynamics, the famous branch, everyone knows about it very well, that is thermodynamics is what thermodynamics, you know that the thermo means what, thermos, you know the thermos which जो भी आपका चाय गर्म ही रखता है, ठंडा नहीं होने देता है, सो दैट इज थर्मस मीन्स व्हाट, वो हीट को कांस्टेंट रखता है, सो दैट इज thermodynamics। that second branch we will see thermodynamics। so thermodynamics is what, where heat is not remain at rest, that is dynamic means what, changing, so thermo means heat, so this keep in mind। in thermodynamics we know that there is a system surrounding, everyone knows about this system होता है, फिर बाहर का जो भी होता है वो surrounding होता है, ठीक है। so we have learned this and we apply some pressure on the system के ऊपर हम different experiment करते हैं, and we are changing its pressure, we are changing its volume, we are changing its temperature। okay, all the basic things we change there, and all the molecules are inside it, this is gas, air molecules are there, so this, on the basis of this their motions, okay, and their force, so on the basis of that we can see their kinetic energy of motion। okay, and also we know that there is a randomness on, because order of this randomness is totally that is told by the entropy, that is thermodynamics का फर्स्ट लॉ, सेकंड लॉ, थर्ड लॉ। ओके, आपको पता है एंट्रोपी, इंटरनल एनर्जी, जो भी इंटरनल एनर्जी है चेंज, उसके उसमें भी चेंज, ये सभी कंसेप्ट हम किस में पढ़ने वाले हैं, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स इज टू मच वास्ट, इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी वास्ट, एंड हियर ऑल्सो वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द सिस्टम के ऊपर हीट का जो भी है क्या इफेक्ट होता है, सो दैट व्हाट, हाउ मच वर्क डन इज देयर, so that all the thing we will learn in this thermodynamics। so this is what this is all the things about the thermodynamics is also very large। okay, and after that we will see third is what, third is nothing but that third is our main, that is electrodynamics, everyone knows that electrodynamics। so what the things comes in this, which things comes in this, that is dynamics। so here you know that it deals with the interactions between the charged bodies, just charged bodies जब होते हैं, positively charged, negatively charged, and this they are they are rubbing on each other. Okay, suppose this is what negatively charged and we are just rubbing on each other. That frictions makes interchanging of the charges on the body's. Like charges attracts, so repels, and unlike charges attract each other. So we know that rule. And here also the things, so here also the law, basic laws told by the that is Oersted, Hans Oersted's. Okay, laws told by that Hans Oersted, that is physicist. Okay, and some that is Coulomb's, also Coulomb's laws is also there. Okay, so these all the things about the electric field and magnetic field, the all the objects, what effect of the all the objects or how it behaves in the both the fields. So field, that is फील्ड क्या होती है, जब इसी किसी की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, दो टाइप की फील्ड है। तो जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो होती है किसी वायर में, दैट इज ओरस्टेड टोल्ड दैट, ओरस्टेड ने हमें बताया कि कोई वायर अगर करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर करता है, करंट कैरी करता है, तो वहाँ के उसके बाजू में हर तरफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड तैयार होती है। तो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस ऑल द थिंग्स वी विल सी in electrodynamics. Electrodynamics also too much very vast. There also comes some AC DC voltage. Okay, AC DC, alternating current, direct current, and how to save them, that is also come in this case. Okay, how to save them, so that also we will consider. वो भी हम इसमें पढ़ने वाले। रेडियो सिग्नल। ओके, रेडियो सिग्नल, जो भी रेडियो सिग्नल है वो कैसे ट्रांसमिट होते हैं, रेडियो सिग्नल का ट्रांसमिशन। ओके, एंटीना। ओके, एंटीना रिसीविंग मैसेज। सो एंटीना से कैसे मैसेज आएंगे, रेडियो सिग्नल कैसे ट्रांसमिट करेंगे। सो ऑल द थिंग्स वी विल सी in this electrodynamics. So it is, electrodynamics is also very very vast. Okay, and after that there comes optics. Optics, everyone knows that optics में बोले तो आपके सामने लाइट आएगा। So optics is what, optics is nothing but the study of the light। किसी लाइट का हम स्टडी करते हैं जब, so we study about the light. Light is what, everyone knows that there are the three types of the, on the basis of these three, that is that is physical, physiological, and geometrical. Physiological, okay, and third, that is geometrical. Everyone knows that these three, तीनों भी that is physical, in physical we know that the light का, इसमें हम क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोडक्शन देखते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं। we study the production, nature, property of the lights। okay, lights की जिसमें, okay, and here the light plays a role in the vision। okay, light plays some role in the vision। okay, light जो भी है उसका जो vision में है वो हम इसका यूज करते हैं। okay, and here last, that is geometrical। geometrical is nothing but the all the phenomenon of the light happen by it, that is reflection, refraction। okay, आप सभी को पता ही होगा ये। okay, स्कैटरिंग, ये सभी क्या होता है, लाइट जब किसी ऊपर गिरता है तो अपना बात बदल देता है। सो उसे हम रिफ्लेक्ट, मीडियम भी अगर बदलता है तो रिफ्रैक्ट। okay, so all these cases you will learn after that, and you know that in these cases we will see a different formation of images also, different images formations। okay, different image formations we will see in this case, image formation by using different lens or that mirror, lens, mirror, this what lens and this what mirror। okay, ये क्या है, mirror है। ठीक है, so both type of the mirror are there, okay, and there is also both type of lenses are there। okay, so this is concave lenses, concave mirror, convex mirror। so all this have different images at different, if we replace the position of the object, then accordingly the image will shift। okay, sometimes we will get imaginary, sometimes we will get real। so imaginary, real image, both we will get at different image formations। and in this also we will see that is working of the telescope will see, we can see here telescope, microscope, these are also based on these lenses। okay, telescope, microscopes। okay, and all these things we will study in this optics is very, it is also too much biggest field is of the physics। it is just related to the light energy, or how it works and how it have different properties, natures। okay, all the things we will see over here, and all the phenomenon आपको तो पता है, that is scattering of light, फिर रेनबो बनाना, तारों का टिमटिमाना, Okay, so all these things of the lights, because of the lights. Okay, so these things we will see in optics also. So these are, and after that there is acoustic. Acoustic is what, nothing but the waves. जब acoustic means what, sound waves का जब study करते हैं हम, sound waves का properties, उसे हम acoustic बोलते हैं. So acoustic is what, last, that is first हमने तो ये कितना है, this is what for fifth. The fifth is what, acoustic. Acoustic says that it is the study of the sound waves. Sound waves कैसे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, प्रोडक्शन का जब स्टडी करते हैं, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ साउंड वेव्स का जब स्टडी करते हैं उसे हम acoustic बोलते हैं. So how does sound waves produced? So it is nothing but the acoustic. So this also the comes in the macroscopic physics, that is classical physics. Classical physics में ये सभी आने वाले है. So now tomorrow we will see the microscopic that is domains and along with the excitement of physics. Okay students, so अगर ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा होगा तो आपको लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना भूलना नहीं, और नए सब्सक्राइबर हो तो सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए भूलना नहीं. खुद का भी भला कीजिए और दूसरों का भी भला कीजिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फिर आए मिलेंगे किसी शानदार वीडियो के साथ. ओके, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.